Hi everyone, and I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to square numbers in Excel. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. So to square a number, select your target cell like this and type in the equal sign. Select the cell containing the number you want to multiply. Mine is C4 today, and enter the asterisk or multiplication symbol. And after doing that, select the cell containing the number you want to multiply again and press the enter button on your keyboard. As you can see, 2 has been squared. To square the numbers 3 and 4, select here and select the bottom right corner and just drag it down like this and just leave it. As you can see, 3 has been squared, likewise 4. The second method is by calling the function in Excel. To do that, select your target cell once more, enter equals to, enter power, open a bracket and select the number you're going to square. Mine is 2, enter comma, and obviously square means 2, so enter that and close the bracket, press the enter key on your keyboard and 2 has been squared. To find the squares of 3 and 4 again, select your target cell and select the bottom right corner and just drag it down, and 3 and 4 have all been squared. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.